A new Chinese model just beat Claude. This is not a press release, this is a live leaderboard with Kimi K3 right at the top above Claude Fable 5 and GPT 5.6. So Kimi K3 dropped yesterday and went straight to number 1 for front-end code. It's got 2.8 trillion parameters, a million token context, open weights this month coming, and you can use it right now. So I'm going to give it my hardest real-world tasks, the jobs I normally save for Fable 5, and some of the results really shocked me. Okay, first of all, I'm going to get signed up to use this new Open Frontier model, which is from Moonshot AI. I just have to scroll down to find their monthly plans. Look at this, and I'll go for the very basic $19 a month plan to give it a test. Okay, I've signed up for the $19 a month plan. Kimi K3 is now fully ready to create things. Okay, with Kimi code installed, I just run Kimi -- YOLO to go into YOLO mode, and it will fire up right here. Look at this, fantastic. Let's run it again, Kimi -- YOLO, and then now we've got 2 Kimis on the right-hand side, and we've got 2 Claude codes with Fable 5 on the left-hand side. Time for our first test, and I'm going to use exactly the same prompt, build a playable Voxel Sandbox game. We'll get that running inside Fable 5 and inside Kimi code, so we can see exactly what happens, how fast they go, and which one is the winner. Okay, we can see over here that Claude Code has been thinking for almost 1 minute and 35 seconds, and it's done absolutely nothing, whereas Kimi K3 is already getting to work, thinking things through, and showing its thinking, which I like a lot more than just this yellow canoodling. It's actually doing something, and I can see that it's thinking it through. So we'll come back in just a moment and see how those do. Now, while we're working away, Claude Code's still thinking for nearly 3 minutes with nothing happening here. Kimi K3 is definitely doing a little bit more there. I'm going to paste in this prompt down below, create a motion graphics product launch video, entirely in code, animated text, easing, soundtrack cue sheet, output 1 file I can open. And look at this, we've still got Claude Code thinking away for 8 minutes, saying that it's building it. It's already figured out how to make that voxel game. And we're also thinking over here with Kimi Code, yeah, that is definitely still thinking right now what it's going to do, making all its plans. Down here, we've got the wonderful video, and we can see Python libraries are getting installed to render using Pillow, drawing every single frame. And over here, we've got Kimi K3 thinking things through still and really working hard on this. Lots of thinking, no action yet, so let's trigger a few more projects so we can have quite a few things to look at by the end of this video. Okay, we've got a brand new workspace, and here I'm going to build a synth pad with some drum sequencing. It's going to be really cool with Neon UI. That's running in Fable 5, and also now it's running in Kimi K3 in parallel, which is great. We'll see what the results are soon. And for the final prompt down here, I'm going to ask it to design a premium website for Creator Magic by Mike Russell, beautiful with parallax hero and space for a blog. And I'm asking it to search online to do this. So we'll get Kimi K3 and Fable 5 running at the same time, building something. This will be a great test of design principles and also the model's ability to search online for information, bearing in mind I've told it nothing about Creator Magic. Okay, we can see Fable 5 is often thinking, and already Kimi K3 is using its web search tool to find out about Mike Russell and Creator Magic, which is absolutely awesome. Despite Claude Code taking a lot of time to think with Fable 5, we've already got the Voxel game and this beautiful video completed and ready, which is amazing. So we've got 2 things ready to view from Fable 5. So let's play Fable 5 Voxel Craft. And oh my goodness, as I would expect, this is actually really good. There is nothing to say that this should be bad because, well, we know that Fable 5 can do an incredible job, and this is just incredible. Yes, I can even cut blocks. It's basically like real Minecraft, and the night and day has been followed exactly as expected, even if a little bit fast. This is pretty decent. Fable 5 quality, exactly what we would expect. Okay, here's the really sad thing. You'll see that on my $19 that I put in on these projects, I've hit a 403 on all of them. I've hit my usage limit. Literally, in just a few minutes with $19, I hit a usage limit and all my projects have stopped. So while I'm blown away and impressed with Fable 5, I have to pump more money into Kimi K3 to actually get results. Let's hope that everything I've done so far isn't lost and I can just pay them more money and hopefully get some results to show you. Yep, look at that. I literally blasted through my limit in just a few minutes here. While I've got more 7-day usage, my 5-hour usage has completely gone. Time to pay Moonshot AI more money. Thank goodness for Apple Pay, and we're processing the money to Moonshot. Ooh, this is going to be Moonshot money, and we're done. Back over in the terminal, continue, and continue. We've got a 404 not found the model, or permission denied. This is not great. Come on. Continue, please. Find the model and continue. Okay, yes, now we're up and running. It's back and running. So let's do the same over here in this workspace. Continue and continue. And hopefully pretty soon we're going to have some Kimi K3 results. Pretty expensive results, but we'll have them. Now, the funny thing is, I keep getting 404 not found on the K3 model or permission denied. This is extremely frustrating. I don't know if this is the service I should expect, especially as I keep pumping money into Moonshot AI without many results. Continue, continue, continue. Come on, continue! Okay, good news. We've got another game up and running. This is Voxel Craft from, yes, you guessed it, Kimi K3. Something else to look at. Let's play, and, well, I've got to say, it's pretty impressive. And in my opinion, this might actually be better than Fable 5. So Fable 5 did something really well, but this definitely has more graphics. Oh, my goodness me. Now, I guess I can change to build things as well if I want. Yes, with bricks. Oh, my goodness. I mean, this is pretty insane. Is it going to go from day to night, just like Fable 5 did? We don't quite know. This is good. Definitely more complex, but definitely awesome. Yeah, I'm loving Kimi K3's take on this. No nighttime yet. We might need to wait a little while. And yes, look at this. The sun is actually going down. I think very soon we're experiencing sunset and, yes, dusk and night. This is awesome. So both models do well. Although in this case, I would say that Kimi K3 has just taken the edge over Fable 5. Well, seeing as we've got this synth ready from Fable 5, let's play Neon Pad. Oh, this is epic. Oh, I feel like a proper DJ. Wow, this is amazing. All right, let's put our hands up in the air and do some jamming. Oh my goodness. It actually works. Hang on, let's stop and see what we can do. So, oh, we've got different synth pads. This is insane, and I can trigger this with numbers. Oh, wow. Okay, this is just absolutely awesome. So I can literally place anything I want on the pad. I wonder if I can do random. Yes, I can. That was very random. Let's do random. Oh my goodness, let's clear everything, and we'll do this as a heartbeat like that. That sounds good. Okay, let's get that through. I'm having too much fun with this. Nice. And then we can put little claps in between. Let's play. I mean, it's messy, you know, I'm not a professional here, but I can actually play things on an instrument and change things, so... Wow. This is amazing. Drive. Oh my goodness. I can literally change everything about the signs being created. Fable 5 is absolutely blowing me away. I want to see some stuff from Kimi K3. So let's give this a go with headphones on. This is the Kimi K3 synthesizer. Now it takes up more real estate on the screen. Can I play? Yes. Ooh. Okay, pretty random and pretty similar, to be honest, to Fable 5, if not a bit bigger. Let's try the number keys. In fact, it feels exactly the same, maybe a few less controls, I've got to say. Let's try and bring some of this down, some of the attack and release down, change the shape. Okay, this is cool. Okay, that's all good, but what can we do with this? Can we actually change this? Let's see if we can change this to just one beat here and then play that all back. So we'll play. Okay, and we'll bring the reverb down a little bit and put in a beat, a consistent beat maybe. I mean, it works. It's good. Maybe a few less controls versus the Claude Fable 5 version. I would have to say, really, when it comes down to synths with drum pads, it's got to be Fable 5 here. K3 pretty much replicated the same thing, just with less controls. Back over here inside the coding terminal, I'm still getting a lot of API errors. I can only imagine that things are basically overloaded with Kimi K3 and everyone trying it right now, but it shouldn't be that way. It should not be that way for a paying customer. Okay, Kimi K3 is still working away, whereas Claude Code has shipped a website, and this is for Creator Magic. Ship real AI like magic. Lots of AI kind of creations here with the text spacing here. I'll kind of let that one slip. The magic theme is definitely on brand. It's not quite my brand colors, but it's close. It's got a little git pull tank over here, which I think is really cool. 8 million views on AI builds. Join the community. Actually links to my proper school community. Look at this. If I click it, it will take me right there. Yep, into school. Watching on YouTube. If I click this takes me to, yes, my real YouTube channel. So I'm impressed with how much Fable 5 has cracked this. Now, I didn't get the logo, but I didn't expect that. Let's scroll down. Yes, we've got all accurate stats here. Pick the skill you want. Radio guy turned AI builder. How funny is this? It researched this and got it right about me. So this is absolutely fantastic and accurate. A place here for blogs, exactly as I asked, and subscribe to the newsletter. Let's click through. Okay, this scrolls all the way around the website, which is nice. Blog takes me to an actual blog page, which is great. This is exactly what I asked for. And now look at this. Wow, make magic with AI. Creator Magic by Mike Russell. Weekly builds, AI agents, no code. Yep, absolutely. It's got my community link and my YouTube link, absolutely correct. This website is way better than I think what Fable 5 created. Definitely much busier. That may or may not be a good thing. Okay, we've got trusted by and some big brand names there, which is fantastic. Let's scroll down. A lot going on here. This is maybe busier than I wanted, but again, it's pulling things in and it's quite interesting. It's mixed stuff here with my audio production company, 4,000 plus clients produced for. That's my audio production company, Music Radio Creative. Ways to learn the craft. Look at this. Now, this is a holding space for my photo, I would imagine. This is nice. Again, we've got blog post areas here and the email list. We've got About Mike as well. It scrolls around nicely to the blog, to the newsletter, to the community. While this is nice, I don't know, I kind of liked the simplicity of Fable 5, despite Kimi K3 going more complex and cosmic in its design. Okay, now we're just waiting for that video to be produced, and it's really getting there. The final render is happening. Tank-Launch MP4 is being made. Now, while Kimi K3 is still rock and rolling, yes, it's taking a lot longer, but maybe the results will be better. We've already got a launch video for Tank. This is so exciting. Let's watch the finished result. Oh my goodness me, that was incredible. Fable 5 has nailed it. It's got the brief spot on. That video was created with one prompt in literally under 10 minutes. Okay, here's the great news. It's ready. Let's play the video and watch Kimi K3's product launch. Okay, no audio. I'm noticing that, but that's okay. Yeah, it's pretty simplistic. Tank, Creator Magic, very nice. One agent, one terminal. You babysitting? No. Run your agents like field units. Not too bad. I kind of wish that there was some kind of audio like we got with Fable 5. This is all very nice, but yeah, where's the audio? Let's scrub through this and try and see the rest. Okay, this is all very, oh, that's actually a nice animation. Let's play this. Here we go. Yes, we've got running. Nice. That was a very good clock animation. That's a little bit complex, and I don't like the fact that the words have kind of bled outside the box there. This is giving the tech stack. Very nice indeed. Kind of basic, though. I definitely preferred Fable 5. So, as we can see, in some cases, Kimi K3 took the lead. I think the Voxel game, Kimi K3 was in the lead. But personally, for me, out of 3 of the 4 tasks, I believe Fable 5 was in the lead and faster and included in my plan. And I didn't hit API errors. And, well, do I need to go on? So while Kimi K3 initially hits the top of the arena leaderboard, I'm still going to be pumping my money into Anthropic and Fable 5, and who knows, I might also have a bit of a play with GPT 5.6 Sol from OpenAI too. Let me know what you think of this video. Was this good? Was I biased in any way? I don't think so, but you let me know in the comments down below. Thank you so much for watching, and YouTube is showing a video on your screen now you should watch next. Thanks.